Okay, I would just want us to discuss about what is going on in Nigeria. A lot of videos are coming online showing that people are very, very hungry and people are restless about the economy of the country. People find it difficult to see what to eat, and governments are doing little or nothing to make sure that things bounce back, in favor of the masses. We cannot keep on saying that things are it will get better, it will get better. Although the video that I want to show you here is a two video. One is about how people are rushing to have something to feed on, and the other one is what is going on in China. China people, if you know, you know. There was a time British people trying to, bring English language to change their language, their national language to become English, and there was a time that they came with the Bible as well, but Chinese people always kick against it. These are what they're doing at the moment. They have come after the mosques in the land. They're destroying mosques, and not only one mosques everywhere in the China. They are now, going after them because they don't want to have Islam in their midst. So some of us who are not Muslim may find it interesting, but the truth of the matter is that you may not be happy with it because it's your religion as a Muslim, but it is always good for one to have what he believe, with him, because you can see what's going on in Nigeria. A lot of people think that the Nigerian is a secular state, but it is not. That is why Nigeria is one of the countries that have everything they have, but always look back to seek for help. So I would like you to watch this video. This happened in Lagos State. As you can see here, people are rushing to have, I think this bread is about 100 naira bread. They're sharing this bread, and people are ready to buy because they want to lay their hands on one loaf of bread. Imagine the circumstances and the hunger in the land. This is not the only video that is trending. A lot of video both from the north and the west. Only in the east I have not seen this type of video. It does not mean that the easterners have a different, maybe they're living on different planets. It is the same government body. The easterners have the way, they conduct and comport themselves in terms of hardship, because when you are in this kind of condition for a very long time, it will master you. You have a way, you can navigate your way to have something to feed on and sustain your life. Unlike people who are new to the system, that my take could be different from yours, but I just want you to see the video and tell me what you think about it. Now here is the video, like I promised that I will bring it to you, the video of Chinese people, dismantling mosques in different parts of China, and people are not happy with it. Like I said earlier, it happened that Chinese people are not giving chance to any other people to invade their land with their religion or belief. They always stand tall in what they believe. So let me allow you to watch the video. Okay, that is all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please help me and share this video, like and comment, and tell me what your take on this video that you just watched. Don't forget to also like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much and see you on my next one. Bye bye for now, guys.